Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to number paragraphs. So we have these example documents, and if you want to number paragraph, you can select the paragraph. Like here I will select these paragraphs, and then you can use this tools number library. So you can set the number in the paragraph. I will set in this option, you can click and the paragraph will be automatically numbering. So if you want to add more again, I will select this paragraph and click again this options numbering. So to be automatically continue to numbering the paragraphs. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to number paragraphs. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.